This is why you need to think twice before buying the Samsung Galaxy M35. In a market flooded with budget smartphones, making the right choice can be daunting. The Galaxy M35 aims to stand out, but does it succeed? Let's dive deep into its features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. The Galaxy M35 is Samsung's latest budget contender. It promises a lot on paper, but how does it fare in real-world usage? Its design is sleek with a polycarbonate back. While it may not scream luxury, it's practical and durable. The polycarbonate material ensures that the phone is lightweight, making it easy to carry around. And a matte finish, no fingerprints, yay! This is a significant advantage for those who dislike constantly wiping their phones. The matte finish also adds a touch of elegance to the overall design. But don't expect a premium feel. The polycarbonate back, while practical, doesn't offer the same tactile satisfaction as glass or metal. It's a trade-off between durability and luxury. Now, the display. It's a 6.7-inch AMOLED. This is one of the standout features of the Galaxy M35. The AMOLED technology ensures vibrant colors and deep blacks, making your viewing experience truly immersive. With full HD+ and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This combination is perfect for watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing through your social media feeds. The high refresh rate ensures that everything feels fluid and responsive. Stunning for Netflix binges, but outdoor visibility? This is where the display falls short. While it's great indoors, the brightness levels aren't sufficient for comfortable outdoor use, especially under direct sunlight. Meh, it's not the brightest. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, this might be a deal breaker. You'll find yourself squinting to see the screen, which can be quite frustrating. Performance-wise, the Exynos 1280 chipset. This is a mid-range processor that promises decent performance for everyday tasks. It's not the most powerful chipset out there, but it gets the job done. With up to 8 GB RAM, handles everyday tasks like a champ. Multitasking is smooth, and you can switch between apps without any noticeable lag. This makes the Galaxy M35 a reliable companion for daily use, but heavy gamers might notice some lags and heating. The Exynos 1280 isn't designed for intensive gaming. While casual games run fine, more demanding titles can cause the phone to heat up and exhibit occasional stutters. PUB at medium settings? Possible, but not perfect. You might experience frame drops and longer loading times. If gaming is a priority, you might want to look at other options. Camera time. The 64MP main shooter is solid in daylight. It captures detailed and vibrant photos, making it a great choice for casual photography. But low-light shots are just okay. The camera struggles in low-light conditions, producing images with noticeable noise and reduced clarity. It's not the best for night photography. The 5MP macro lens? More of a gimmick. While it's fun to play around with, the results aren't impressive. The macro shots lack detail and sharpness, making it more of a novelty feature. Selfies with the 16MP front camera, they're quite good. The front camera captures clear and vibrant selfies, making it perfect for social media enthusiasts. On point for your Insta stories. Whether you're posting selfies, stories, or live videos, the front camera won't disappoint. Battery life is a win, a 6,000 mAh powerhouse. This is one of the strongest points of the Galaxy M35. The large battery ensures that you can go through a full day of heavy usage without needing to recharge. That lasts a day and a half. For moderate users, the battery can even stretch to 2 days. This makes the Galaxy M35 a reliable choice for those who are always on the go. But 25W charging feels slow compared to competitors. While it's not the slowest, it's certainly not the fastest. You'll need to be patient when charging the phone, especially if you're used to faster charging speeds. Software? One UI 5.1 is smooth and bloat-free. Samsung's custom interface is user-friendly and offers a range of useful features. It's one of the better Android skins out there, but no IP rating or stereo speakers. This means the phone isn't water or dust resistant, and the audio experience is just average. If these features are important to you, you might need to look elsewhere. At £299, it faces tough rivals like Xiaomi and Realme. These brands offer competitive features at similar price points, making the decision even more challenging. So should you buy it? It depends on what you prioritize in a smartphone. Pros: great display, battery life, and reliable main camera. These are the standout features that make the Galaxy M35 a compelling choice. Cons: average performance, slow charging, and no standout features. These are the areas where the Galaxy M35 falls short, especially when compared to its competitors. If you value Samsung software and display, the M35 is worth a look. The combination of a vibrant AMOLED display and a user-friendly interface makes it a joy to use. The M35 is worth a look. However, if you're looking for top-notch performance or gaming capabilities, you might want to explore other options. But for performance or gaming, explore other options. There are other smartphones in the same price range that offer better performance and gaming experiences. What's your take on the Samsung Galaxy M35? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this device. Hit or miss? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's get the conversation started. Your feedback helps others make informed decisions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest reviews. We're committed to bringing you the most accurate and detailed reviews to help you make the best choices. And ring the bell for more honest reviews. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.